Motorcycle accidents can result in serious injuries, often more severe than those from typical car crashes, due to the lack of protection. If you've been involved in a motorcycle accident, it's important to understand your rights and the steps you need to take to recover both physically and financially. At Cornell Injury Law, we've helped many motorcycle accident victims get the compensation they deserve. Below, we've answered some of the most common questions to help you navigate your case. What should I do immediately after a motorcycle accident? After a motorcycle accident, the first thing to do is ensure your safety. Check for injuries and, if possible, move to a safe location. Call 911 to report the accident and seek medical attention, even if you don't feel injured. Some injuries can manifest hours or even days after the crash. Be sure to exchange contact and insurance information with the other driver and take photos of the scene, damages, and any visible injuries. Do I need to contact the police after a motorcycle accident? Yes, it's important to contact the police and file a report after a motorcycle accident. A police report serves as an official record of the accident and can provide crucial details, including the other party's contact information, vehicle details, and any statements from witnesses. Having an official report can also be vital when filing an insurance claim or pursuing a legal case. What if the other driver was at fault but doesn't have insurance? If the other driver was at fault but doesn't have insurance, you may be able to recover damages through your own insurance if you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. If you don't have this coverage, you may still have legal options, especially if the other driver has assets you can pursue through a lawsuit. A motorcycle accident lawyer can help you explore all your options to ensure you receive compensation. How long do I have to file a claim after a motorcycle accident? Every state has a statute of limitations that determines how long you have to file a personal injury claim after an accident. This period typically ranges from 1 to 3 years. If you fail to file within this time frame, you may lose your ability to recover compensation for your injuries. It's important to consult with an attorney as soon as possible to ensure that you meet the filing deadline. What types of injuries are common in motorcycle accidents? Motorcycle accidents often result in severe injuries, including broken bones, head injuries, road rash, and spinal cord injuries. Due to the lack of protection compared to passenger vehicles, riders are at a higher risk for traumatic brain injuries, TBI, and even death. Wearing protective gear such as helmets, gloves, and jackets can reduce the severity of injuries, but motorcycle accidents still often lead to life-changing consequences. How can I prove that the other driver was at fault in my motorcycle accident? To prove fault in a motorcycle accident, you'll need evidence such as police reports, witness statements, and photographic evidence of the scene and damages. In some cases, video footage from nearby cameras or traffic lights can also help establish fault. An experienced attorney will gather all the necessary evidence and work with experts to build a strong case to prove liability. What should I do if the insurance company offers me a settlement? If the insurance company offers you a settlement, it's important to review it carefully with the help of an attorney before accepting. Insurance companies often offer settlements that may be far lower than what you're actually entitled to, especially if you have long-term medical needs or lost wages. A lawyer will ensure that the settlement offer reflects the full extent of your damages and future needs. How can a lawyer help with my motorcycle accident case? An experienced motorcycle accident lawyer can help in many ways, from investigating the accident and gathering evidence to negotiating with insurance companies and representing you in court. Motorcycle accident cases often involve complex legal issues, especially when proving fault or dealing with severe injuries. At Cornell Injury Law, we have the expertise to fight for your rights and get you the compensation you deserve. If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident, don't wait to take action. Contact Cornell Injury Law today for a free consultation. We'll help you navigate the legal process, fight for the compensation you deserve, and help you focus on your recovery.